This Align Right Realty property video is presented by Alan Thompson. A gorgeous recently built single-story home in a gated community. Open floor plan layout among the kitchen, nook and family room, which overlooks a patio for outdoor living. Features a den for quiet reading, a formal dining room for memorable meals, and a game room for versatile uses. 3 secondary bedrooms and an owner's suite with 2 walk-in closets provide restful retreats for the whole family. Several outdoor amenities including picnic areas, playgrounds, a dog park, a beach entry pool, as well as tennis and basketball courts. Close to shopping, entertainment, and beaches. For more information, review the details below or contact Alan Thompson at 813-480-1335.